welcome to The Real Paris. And in today's episode, we are in the Eiffel Tower. Well, we're not like actually in the Eiffel Tower, but at least we're still in the Eiffel Tower.
Actually, he doesn't know what we're talking about. We're under.
Yeah, it's still considered, even though we're not like in the Eiffel Tower, we're kind of in the Eiffel Tower. So, yeah. Alright. So, yeah, see the Eiffel Tower? There it is. Like I said before, all tall and pointy. See that? Inside of the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, so we just had some pommes frites, which is French for French fries. And what better place to get them in French fries where they're actually French? Yes! They're French.
Good stuff.
Okay, so, yeah. Can't believe I'm becoming a star just from videos. Wow. I got 3 million hits of all my videos. 3 minutes.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's crazy. Say goodbye.
I am crazy, but I'm not drunk. I'm not high.
Get off the camera.
I'm not high.
Get off the camera.